Come on. It's a little introduction to who I am, what I represent. What's love? Come on. Let's go. Yo le dije yo soy Supryze, no yo soy. De hecho me lo hacen up, yo saqué tu mi YouTube. Como que te toco yo te echo la main. I saw a nigga no jump, bitch you need a shot of name. When they know that saya tu number di jadi kicap. You never get tak isi, setiap yo change tak. Yo show so little new, de shi semua hubang. Yo yang betul dia tak kalau kau tak punya tu mang. Yo change shape kau guni jadi lu jangan lalu dong. Semua jadi lu susah tu, semua kau mau lu kau tahu tu sih sih wo. Lo jual atau jual kau sih. Kau malah mikir sucker, shut up, boss of feeling bait. Make sure you know you're so fucking make sure you're so mad okay. Make my money up with your chat, and you shit call it for shade. So they can do it, but they can't love you, you look so shade. Supryze. Come on. And I always come back. Doesn't matter how far I go, I always come back home. Back to my friends, my family. Back to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. That's what my heart said. Best believe that. Thank you. Come on. I'm not here for long, but still trying to have a good time. Put your party pants on and come along for the ride. Don't you worry about a thing, cause you rollin' with Supryze. I said don't worry about a thing, cause you rollin' with Supryze. When I say Sup, y'all say Prize. When I say Sup, y'all say Prize. Supryze, Supryze, Supryze. Let's go. Let's get it. Come on. Hey, we gon' keep the party going non-stop, no comments. No comments. Nothing but love and positive vibe. No drama. No drama, please. No drama. Hey. I love the energy. Hey, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. I know we're in the middle of winter right now, but we will take it back to the summertime, right? Back to the summer. The song's called Summer Dreams. Summer dreams, summer dreams. Those memories I've been dreaming about. Summer dreams, summer dreams. The days always hot to see me out. Summer dreams, summer dreams. Waking up, hoping it's that season now. Summer dreams, summer dreams. Come on. And I'm just dreaming about summer season. Memories they rerun. Summer breeze and freedom. You've been on my mind. Summer dreams. Oh, oh, sunshine. Summer dreams. I've been waiting till that time, but for now it's summer dreams. Cold autumn breeze rolling in. Signs of the summer season closing in, but when I close my eyes, I shine and hope again. Take it back down the road again, memory lane. Last summer was the dopest thing, I was forever king. Everything fell together perfectly in alignment. I was loving the weather of Minnesota's climate. A break from my studies, no assignments. So free, no confinement. Jamming to the finest, running, cruising in my Honda. When the sun hit the highest point, the beach is where you find us. Chilling during the day, and parties in the evening, bottoms up. The morning is a mystery, you don't know when you wind up trying to make history before the summertime's up. Cause all of this get tuned down to ends. But luckily I keep it alive within my memory like a running stream. Always looking forward to the luxuries and summer dreams. Come on.